Our final year project topic is interactive hostel room booking system. Problem statements. In the manual systems, there is difficulties in record management, and there's also difficulties in tracking the history of facilities like a room or a chalet or a building, and registration for hostel education is done manually. Thus, over time, handling of paper files becomes troublesome and untidy as the population of students increases, and the whole exercise is time consuming and a waste of human and material resources. Because of those problems that we have encountered in the manual system, we come up with this particular topic. Main aim of our project is development of an interactive system for booking hostel rooms, and in order to fulfill this aim, we have come up with some of the objectives, like to identify the problem encountered in the manual system of hostel room booking, and to upgrade from manual means of student hostel allocations, and to identify and model the requirement needed to develop the system, and to provide the platform for students to book the hostel rooms, and to maintain and manage the hostel information easily. Methodology: we have started our project by defining problem and topic citations, and then it is followed by literature review. We have done the literature review in order to get the precise knowledge on a particular topic, and then it is followed by requirement gathering, where we have gathered the requirement through interviewing SSOs and students, and then brainstorming within the team members and regular basis of team meetings. And then it is followed by requirement analysis, where we have divided into two categories like functional requirement and data requirement, where system and UI design come under functional requirements and database comes under data requirement. And then it is followed by implementations, where we have done a coding, and then it is followed by testing, like unit testing, integration testing, and system testing is done in testing part. And then documentation, we have started it from the beginning of our project till the deployment of our project, and then we have it is then followed by deployment. Software requirement: the software that we used to develop our systems are XAMPP server, PHP MyAdmin and Navigate to create the table in XAMPP server, and the IDE that we use for coding is Visual Studio Code, and the language that we use is PHP language, and the framework that we have used is Laravel framework, and we have used a composer in order to install dependency and package in the Laravel. To show the demo of our project, this is the landing page of our project, and when the students click on About Us button, they will direct to About Us pages, where they can see the information about the admin, and they will click on the rooms, they will direct to the room sections, where they can view the rooms. And when they click on the counselor, they will direct to the counselor sections, where they can view the information of counselors. They can either register by clicking on register and login by clicking on login. This is the form where they can book the rooms, and in the room sections they are divided into different categories, and they can either log in or register into the systems. If the students is new to our systems, they can register into the system by clicking on register, and the form will appear. They have to give their credential in these forms and then click on the register buttons, and if they are already registered, they can just click on already register, and then login page will display. And if they have forgotten their password, they just have to click on forward your password, and then here they have to give their email IDs. If the user login into the system by giving their credentials, they will direct to the user pages, and there they can view the contact us information. They can click on the counselors and view the counselor information, and they can click on the rooms and can view the rooms information. And if they want to add their roommate, they have to give the detail of the roommates and click on the add roommate. They will the roommate will be added in the systems. And there are different type of categories of rooms, and if the user want to make a reservation or make room booking, they can click on room make reservations, and they will direct to the booking forms, where they have to give their details and then book particular rooms by providing the numbers, and then click on book your own rooms, then it will get booked. If the student or user want to change their profile informations or update their password, they can click on profile, and they will direct it to the profile pages. There they can update or change the profile informations, and they can update their password, or they can reset new password, and they can enable two-factor authentications. And if they don't want their account, they can delete the account. And if they want to log out from this system, they can click on the logout buttons, and then they will direct to the landing pages. If the admin want to log in into the system, they can give the credential and click on login, and they will direct to the admin pages. This is the dashboard of admin, where they can see the categories of block, and when they click on user, they will get the details of the registered user. And if they want to find the information of particular user, they can need to type the name of particular user, and then the detail of particular user will display. And if they want to edit the information of the user, they can just click on user, and they can edit the information of the user and click on save buttons. And if they want to delete the user, they can just click on delete button. The user will get deleted from the systems. And for the bulk delete, they need to select check button, and they can delete. This is the place where admin upload the rooms, and if admin want to upload the rooms, they have to provide the information in the room in this form. And once this form is filled up, they can click on save buttons. So when they click on the save buttons, the room will be uploaded down there, and it will be shown to the user page also. And if admin want to search the information of particular rooms, they just need to type the name of the rooms, and the particular information of particular room will be displayed out here. And if admin want to delete the rooms, they can just click on delete, and they can delete. And if admin want to update the room, they click on update, and this form will appear, and there they can update the informations and click on update. So if the admin want to approve the rooms, they just need to click on approve, and then in the status it will show that the room is booked. If the admin want to update information counselor, they need to click on counselor, and this form will appear, and there they can provide the information of counselors. And then when they click on save button, it will be updated here, and it will be shown to user page as well. And if they want to update information of counselor, they can just click on update, and this form will show, and there they can update the information of counselor, and it will be updated out here. And if they want to delete, they click on delete, and it will be deleted. If the admin want to search the information roommate, they can click on roommates, and then they will find the information of roommate. And if they want to find the information of particular roommate, they can just type the user ID or room ID, then the information of particular roommate will be displayed. And if they want to delete, they can click on delete, or they can just click on checkbox and bulk delete of informations. When the admin click on booked button, the information of the user who booked the room will be displayed, and here admin can view the information of particular user who booked the rooms, and they can also delete the information of particular users. If the admin want to log out from the system, they need to click on logout buttons, and when they click on logout buttons, then they will direct it to the landing page.